Alright guys, here we go with some examples on your homework. One of your examples, they're giving you this addition. I am going to review some addition concepts and some concepts from 5th grade and some others from 6th grade. You should not have any troubles with this homework because it was kind of easy. Well, this is just an addition. Of course, if you try to solve it like that, it's going to be a little bit difficult. What I can strongly recommend you, it is well, just align your numbers. When you are going to add, you just need to align your numbers. Remember, some of you just don't align them, and well, there is the issue. When you are doing this addition, if you align them, if you do some columns, it will be way much easier for you, especially when you are doing operations with rational numbers, like in this example. From this example, you are going to have to subtract 105 and 7 cents. So these I am going to rewrite it and I'm going to align it in order to make my difference, in order to do my subtraction. Be very careful with your place values, because if not, you are going to have a wrong answer. Do these. Remember, you need to bring down your decimal. Do your columns. It's going to be easier for you to make this kind of exercises, these kind of examples. And well, you just need to do your subtraction. If you work like this, you won't have any issues. If you move the columns, well, I'm pretty sure that you are going to have a wrong answer. On the next example, 257 times 3016. If you try to multiply like that, well, it's going to be a little bit hard. Remember, we talk about something that it is called commutative property. I told you 2 times 4, if you do that, that is 2 times 4, that's 8. That is exactly the same as 4 times 2. 4 times 2, that's 8. That is called commutative property. We just switch the numbers. As we're talking about multiplication, we can do and we can use commutative property. So if you don't use the commutative property, well, it's going to be a little bit complicated because you're going to be doing 257 times 3016. And if you try to do that, well, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. If you do but you can make it. If you use the commutative property, well, you just switch the numbers. 3016 times 257. Now remember, when you get the first number, you already multiply times 7. When you're going to multiply times 5, you need to leave the first space. And also do your columns. It's going to help you a lot. You need to leave the first space available. Or a 0. Some of you put a 0, some of you put a dash. Again, when you finish multiplying with 5, okay, now you're going to be multiplying times 2. Remember, this is the third digit, so you need to leave 2 empty spaces or 2 zeros. Those are just some pointers that I think that I need to remind you. So here we go with the last example. You got 1,242 divided in 27. If you try to do it like that, again, maybe you're going to face some problems. But if you switch it, and if you divide everything in 27, well, you know how to work that out. You got 2 digits, you need to get 2 digits, but, well, there's no way that 27 fits into 12, so you need to put 2 zeros here. And get another digit. Now, how many times 27 fits in 124? There you go. You can start working with that. I hope this helped. Again, I'm sorry I'm not giving you answers. Have a nice day.